Here in your student application, we can scroll down to our list of classes. Click on a print course, and you will be able to see a snapshot of the information in your class. This section has a place to download all of the assignments in the course. It shows your course name. You can click to view or submit assignment grades. It'll show your grade average, percentage complete, assignment count, number of assignments submitted, number of assignments graded, enrollment, and due date information. If you would like to download all of the assignments in the class in bulk, all you have to do is click on Download All Course Assignments. And you'll have the option to download a zip file. Just click on the title. And from here, you can open each assignment and start working on them. You may complete each assignment that you download on your computer or laptop. And remember to please use either Microsoft Office or a compatible word processing program, such as OpenOffice. When you are ready to submit an assignment, you will click on the section that reads, "Click to view or submit your course assignments." From this section, you can either download each individual assignment independently, or you can submit your work. To actually submit all of the assignments, all you have to do is click within the column underneath the header that reads, "Click to view or submit your assignment," and make sure that coincides with the assignment that you want to submit. So we're going to submit Lesson 3. Now if I wanted to download it, I would click on this icon here, and I can download the individual assignment right here. Or I can go all the way over to the right, click on this number 0 here, and this is where I can upload my document. You're just going to click on this blue button that reads "Click to upload your completed assignment documents." Choose the file you want to submit, and click Upload. Now do keep in mind that you are able to upload more than one document at a time. So if you have an assignment that has multiple pages, and you have different files for each of those pages, all you have to do is go back into the section that you upload your assignment, click that button again, choose a different file, and upload the document. And you'll have a number 2. This shows that 2 documents are uploaded to this assignment. Now, if you upload a document that is not the correct assignment, you can delete. Just go back into that section again, and on the left you click this menu button, click Delete Row, and you'll see that it is grayed out and will have a strike through. Then all you have to do is click Save Deletes, and that assignment is gone. You can double check to make sure that you have the correct one in here, which we do. And then that one is going to be labeled in the grading status as submitted. So your teacher now has access to your assignment and will grade it in 1 to 3 business days. And that is the walkthrough of our new setup for your Keystone Print courses.